Good morning to all the children and parents. This assignment is for class 1 for the subject of English grammar dated 24th May 2021. Today we will continue lesson 3, naming words common and special, which is on page number 21 of your My Grammar Time. Exercise C. Circle the special naming word that is written correctly. First, my birthday is in small j U-N-E June, capital J U-N-E June. Children, we have studied that June, name of the month, has to start with capital letter. So, we will encircle capital J U-N-E June, and this is a special naming word. Alright. Second, we light lamps on capital D I-W-A-L-I oblique small d I-W-A-L-I Diwali. Now children, we have studied all the names of festivals start with capital letter. So this is a special naming word. So we will encircle capital D I-W-A-L-I Diwali. Third, my friend capital A-L-I Ali oblique small a-L-I Ali lives in small d E-L-H-I Delhi capital D E-L-H-I Delhi. Now children, when we talk about a particular person, name of a person, it has to be capital, started with capital letter. So capital A-L-I, we will encircle this Ali. And Delhi, Delhi is the name of a particular place. It is the capital of India. So we have to start with capital D. So we will encircle where it is written capital D E-L-H-I. Right? Alright. Now fourth is I go to school from small M-O-N-D-A-Y Monday, capital M-O-N-D-A-Y Monday, to capital F-R-I-D-A-Y Friday oblique small F-R-I-D-A-Y Friday. Children, we have already studied that all the names of the week should be started with capital letter. So, Monday, where capital M is written, we will encircle Monday, and where capital F is written, we will encircle Friday. Fifth, we have holidays in small m-A-Y May, capital M-A-Y May. Children, we have studied all the names of the months of the year should start with capital letters. So we will encircle May where capital M-A-Y is written. So we will encircle May. Sixth is Tim and Tom, capital T-O-M or small t-O-M, went for a swim. Children, here Tim and Tom are names of person, and names of person are always started with capital letters. So we will encircle Tom where capital T is written T-O-M, Tom. Now exercise D, fill in the blanks. Begin special naming words with a capital letter. Now first is your name blank space. Children, I have written Priya here, but you will write your name. Alright? You will write your name starting with a capital letter. Alright. Second is the name of your school. So, Tender Heart School. T will be capital, Tender, tender. Heart, H will be capital, Heart, heart. School, School, S will be capital because it is the name of a particular school. So we will start with capital letters, THS. Third, your teacher's name. Children, you have to fill in the name of your teacher. You can fill Mrs. Harjeet Kaur with M capital, H capital, K capital, or Mrs. Harminder Kaur, M capital, H capital, K capital. Or you can write your Hindi teacher's name, that is Mrs. Suman. M should be capital and S should be capital. Now fourth, the name of your best friend. Children, I have not written anything here. You have to write your best friend's name, but it should start with a capital letter. Fifth, you take your books to school in a, if you have to write common name, a common noun, you will write bag. And if you have to write special noun, as in this case, we have to fill in only special nouns. So, you have to name the brand of your bag. Brand of bags are Sky bags, S will be capital. Disney bags, D will be capital. Adidas bags, A will be capital. Alright, sixth is you write on the blackboard with black chalks. If it is, you had to fill common noun, so you will fill only chalk, but here you have to fill in special noun. So we will write the brand of the chalk. Chalk's brands are Coors, Cores, Coors, or Apsara, Apsara. Both should start with capital letters because we are talking about a particular chalk, right? Alright. Children, now I will give you practice exercises which you will do on your own. Put the date 26/5/21. Lesson 3, naming words, common and special. Exercise 1, circle the special naming word that is written correctly. First, my father will come in August. Here A is small and here A is capital. You have to encircle where it is written correctly. Second, we play with dry colors on Holi. H is capital here. Here H is small. You have to encircle the word where it is written correct. Third, my friend Anil, small a, Anil, capital A, lives in Mumbai, capital M, Mumbai, small m. You have to encircle the word which is written correct. Anil here with small a and Anil here with capital A. Which is correct out of these two? You have to encircle. Mumbai, M capital, M small. You have to encircle Mumbai where it is written correct. Right? Fourth, we will have holidays in December. Here D is small, here D is capital. You have to encircle the correct word. Fifth is Sunday comes after Saturday. Once it is written S capital and the next time it's written S small. You have to choose the correct and you have to encircle it. Sixth, the name of my cat is Zoe. Now once it is written started with capital Z, the next time it's written started with small z. So you have to encircle the correct word. Alright, now put date 27/5/21. lesson number 3, naming words, common and special. Exercise 2, fill in the blanks. Begin special naming words with a capital letter. First one is your mother's name. Children, you have to write here your mother's name. First write Mrs. M capital and then write your mother's name starting with a capital letter. Second is the name of your city. Children, here you have to write name of your city starting with capital letter. Third, your cousin's name. Children, you will write any one cousin name. You will write start with capital letter. Fourth is your uncle's name. Children, you can write any name of your uncle but start with Mr. M capital and first letter should be capital of your uncle's name. Fifth is your birthday month. You have to write name of the month in which your birthday falls, right? But it should be started with capital letter. All right. Sixth is your favorite day of the week. Here children, you will write any day which you like the most but start with capital letter. Seventh, your favorite chocolate. Chocolates are so many in the market like Cadbury, 5-star, so many other chocolates are there. But whatever name you write, start with capital letter. Eighth, your country's name. Country's name, you all know in which country you live. That is India. India start with capital I. Thank you children.